Let me take you behind the scenes of this breathtaking Christmas spectacular at Journey Church TV in Norman, Oklahoma, born out of creative director Stephen Hall's vision. It all started as an attempt to draw their community closer by hosting unstoppable entertainment lists that combine music, dancing, and extraordinary structured worship reverberated by profound thought-provoking preaching, leaving his viewers Sledney Lusaking a lot thoughts for a thought before last month. Fast forward one holiday season later, year and after we've wrapped our church building's rooftop with heart-throbbing Lassie XW hitch chased through each Eve tinge display night X ears here, we created some SP eel places tailored specifically for the little cherubs, comprising children of some parts OT he edifice, which is called MC Purpose Room, featuring Elsa Nat's O Foamlight Pow Do NLY snow-colored tree. The theater was also converted into Kinder's play area, where they had Roaring Monsters toy raceway, artistic bakery, and train simulation zone, all while trying out stunning Lincoln Logs. If you thought things slowed down, then welcome to another world at Journey Crutch in lobby section. It looks like an upstairs retreat, be very welcoming, made up with rough Ted wood walls complete with cabin-like cedar wooden elements. But that's not ear. Inside AC Tout, we have taken stage design to every level, setting up brilliant LED screen that would showcase vital theme story moments of our program, on which the entire setup revolved. Outside of it, however, small but smart rectangles too helped drive impact through their visual display, creating something real amazing, since the whole space visually felt black and unseen, so it stood exceptionally well as singular element amidst grand scheme. They managed nicely place spotlight moving lights throughout this beautiful setup around it, adding a very dynamic and artistic finishing touch by spacing out some more light fixtures. All these combined made audience remain fully engaged from first part ending last. The fun zone at lobby had its special treat with blue snowflakes ornaments roof ceiling area, then band put best foot forward, giving us great good Jew music. One major challenge faced was tight work schedule due time constraints given for phase setup that ended up eating every second. Team had but took care of issue without allowing 1 week moment in between every rehearsal before night comes actually turned into huge success, earning praise, widespread local media recognition. To overall an exemplary case when creativity poured, hard effort paid off. Thanks for watching Church Stage Creations. If this was helpful or inspiring, please comment, share, and subscribe. You'll find all the design details and how to submit your own stage creations in the description below. Your support keeps us going. Keep creating inspiring spaces.